Yeah, so we're at another open house, babes. This one is a older development. No garage. Cheaper. You close the car? Yeah, this is a neighborhood that we know very well.
Oh, you see that on the camera?
Okay.
But he's still very negotiable.
Okay.
So he bought it, rented out as a company house, and then they moved out, and then just.
How many bedrooms?
I was in 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Parking.
Basement developed?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, no, this is a whole different price point.
Yeah. Well, can I see the MLS, please? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll change the carpets.
It just changed.
It just changed?
It looks clean.
Yeah, it looks clean. Yeah. Well, these bedrooms are bigger than the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's coming like over the apartment. No.
this is bigger. This is
Yeah. Because it's a older.
Our room right now is really big.
Yeah.
It's really
Can hold 2 bed.
two. This is smaller than our room right now, but it's bigger than the one that we got.
Oh, the previous stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm walking by with and stuff. It's cheaper.
And it's not that bad.
It's not that bad. But
One thing I wish there was a garage, but
you can put a garage if you want.
He says
Yeah,
5
more
bedrooms.
yeah, so the rest will be in the basement.
Yeah, he bought it this way. They added that one more room, which I couldn't sign for.
Hmm? Yeah, let's look in the basement.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't want anything too big.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's
Because then I just have to clean it, so.
No, you want small but nice.
Small, but I need family space.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, you can come by.
Oh, careful. Basement is finished. Finished basement. Oh, there's 3 bedrooms on here.
This is like an entire.
This is a.
Yeah. So there's 3 bedrooms in the basement. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So a little pantry in the basement, that's not bad. Bathroom. I'll paint it though.
So do they have one bathroom upstairs?
Yeah, 1 bathroom upstairs, 1 bathroom downstairs, washer and dryer. I'll paint it though. Paint it in like a lighter color, because the cream kind of. I'm gonna put it in white.
Like the cream kind of what?
I'll change the lights.
The lighting is the biggest thing. The light would have to.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm like, why do they keep on doing the light?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, machine.
This is not bad.
This is not bad. Thinking about the room. Only thing you don't have your garage.
No garage and there's no separate entry to the basement. And well, I don't mind shared washer and dryer still. I have a little living room.
A living room?
Well, for the basement, what's in here? That
It's
don't
just,
make sense.
it's just under the stairs. Just under the stairs.
Oh, I see.
It's not bad.
Insulation. Yeah, for whoever live in the basement, this could be a little living room.
No, we don't have a kitchen.
Oh, yeah, there's no kitchen.
And so putting in kitchen is one of nice to put in a kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no kitchen. Yeah. It's not that bad though. For the price, it's not bad. Price is not bad. The price is $289.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Huh?
No problem.
Yeah.
Mark going for this part. Being kitchen, whatever.
Because it's an older development, I'm not sure if you'll be able to put you in the kitchen. Maybe right here because they have the exhaust right there. And this was built in 2004.
And you don't need separate. It's like the first one. Close to the front, window.
Yeah. Oh. Puncher?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, there's definitely have to be somewhere now. There have to be somewhere now. Yeah. So what do you think about this one?
Don't like it.
Don't like it? Let's look. Yeah, it's not fenced. We got a small deck. Huh?
By looking, I thought this was board.
It's not board?
No,
Is that concrete? It's drywall maybe.
it feels like plastic.
It's probably drywall.
Like it's covering something.
Oh. I don't know what that is. But the houses here don't really make of concrete though. They don't really have that.
Yeah, more or less. Just like America, most houses
Board
are
and
made of-
drywall.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about it?
For me?
Yeah.
It's pretty decent. I mean, it's comfortable for a small family.
I think
And-
because Marvel is comparing it to Jamaica, it kind of look good if I'll use a Jamaican ice, but the thing is there's way better than that. Way better than that. And plus it's not in a garage. Okay. So I know? Yeah guys, so that house is for $289,000. Not gonna lie, if it is that you just want somewhere to live and you want a first house, it's not bad. But I think I can make that right here. Yeah, I think I can make that right here. It's not bad, but for your home, like that, somewhere that you want to live and be comfortable, I wouldn't buy it. I don't like it that much. I just don't like it. Yeah, so yeah, what do you guys think about it though? Throw it down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, would you buy it still? And what are your thoughts? Really interested to know. Let's go straight, guys. Let's go straight.
That's true.
Yeah. Really interested to know what your thoughts. But of course, guys, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and share. Alright, so see you guys in the next video.